Overseas, former President Donald Trump has described the United States as a nation in decline after pleading not guilty to 34 criminal charges. Returning to Florida after a court hearing in New York, Trump also denounced the case as an insult to the U.S. Azam Khan reports.
Tight security was in force outside the courthouse in Manhattan, where Donald Trump arrived in a motorcade. People across the street tried to catch a glimpse of the first U.S. president, sitting or former, to face arrest. The 76-year-old was stone-faced as he entered the courtroom. He pleaded not guilty to 34 counts of falsifying business records, a crime punishable with prison in New York. The allegations involved 3 separate payments, 2 to 2 women who claimed they had an extramarital affair with him, and the third to a doorman who alleged that Trump fathered a child out of wedlock. The payments, the Attorney General said, were made to influence the 2016 presidential election.
It's not just about one payment. It is 34 business records, 34 false statements in business records that were concealing criminal conduct.
After the arraignment, Trump, who is running in next year's race to the White House, immediately flew back to Mar-a-Lago in Florida. There, accompanied by his family and supporters, he denounced several people.
Beginning with the radical left, George Soros-backed prosecutor Alvin Bragg of New York, who campaigned on the fact that he would get President Trump. I'm going to get him. This fake case was brought only to interfere with the upcoming 2024 election, and it should be dropped immediately.
The former president also took aim at the judge and prosecutor Bragg's family.
I have a Trump-hating judge with a Trump-hating wife and family whose daughter worked for Kamala Harris and now receives money from the Biden-Harris campaign, and a lot of it. Incredibly, we are now a failing nation. We are a nation in decline. And now these radical left lunatics want to interfere with our elections by using law enforcement.
Trump's team will have until August to file any motions against the case. The next court hearing is set for December. Azam Khan, HKIBC.